who are looking right at you what's going on. Go.
Got a cylinder head here off a Slant 6 off of one of Kim's engines, and there's a bolt that is now a broken off bolt, so it's a little short stud that held the thermostat housing on, and it's still stuck in the head. She was able to get it broke off, so she's able to get the thermostat housing off, but we're going to put a little heat on that so it'll expand that little tab. Can we look at this? I'm not sure if we can. Down here we have this spot on the head where this, right here, where that piece of that bolt, which is now a stud. So we're going to heat right in this area right here. I'm going to heat that. She's going to put some vice grips probably on that and try to work it loose. It's had a lot of penetrating oil put in it, and it's still not able to move. So we're going to heat it, make it so it moves, hopefully. This is a propane torch. It's not real hot, so we're not going to melt any metal or turn anything red. We're just going to get that thing up to a couple hundred degrees, hopefully, right there along that edge right there. Kim, are you going to be able to get away from the camera enough that you can put a tool on there? It's starting to smell hot, but that's going to absorb a lot of heat. That's got a big piece of iron, but it's just kind of a little tab, so I think it'll work. You could never do this with a propane torch on a big piece of, on something that isn't a little tab like that. Ooh,
It's okay.
you're moving.
It can't fall over.
Yeah, get yourself ready there. When I see the grease starting to burn off like it is, I know it's starting to get warm enough that it might work. Are you going to be able to do this without touching the head right there?
Yep.
Okay. Give it a try. Get yourself set up. Is it moving? Is it moving or is it skidding?
Skidding.
Okay, get out of the way.
Let me see if I can get a better grip.
Okay. It's just tearing it up, right?
Not going yet.
You might have to get the settling torch over here.
Wish I had a set of name brand ones.
Oh, like ones that are actually our vice grips instead of
Yeah, instead of
Beijing or whatever they are. Hong Kong. Hong Kong's would probably be better, but they don't make tools there. I always said if I start a tool company, I'm going to call it Beijing, because in China they're all called like Birmingham and all the American cities. The Chinese tools are all named after American cities. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah, okay. Put some gojo down in there.
I mean,
what you call
it's
it?
loose.
Yeah, put some. It's gonna smoke, but put some oil down in there.
That one doesn't work. Okay, move so the camera
Yep.
can see. I mean, it's loose. It'll come right out. Wow, like it just let go. I think maybe some of the impact, a little bit of impact will break the
Well, and
rust and such.
that casting started to grow like 1/1000 of an inch or something. That's all it takes.
All right. Well, while we're at it, go ahead and try a little bit here.
Oh, you can't get that one out either?
Haven't even tried yet. I know it'll be better once it's got some.
Well, I just turned this off. So that's like an ear. That's pretty easy to heat compared to this. This right here is, there's a lot of mass there. I'm not sure this torch is going to warm that up enough.
I don't expect it to do it all, but
Well,
I want to get it a little softer.
it's not soft. You want it to, you're trying to expand it.
I'm gonna shock it once. I figure we do it now while it's already hot, you know.
This isn't much of a torch for a big piece of iron like that.
Yeah,
Okay, get ready. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Did it move?
No, these jaws are not right. Oh man. See, they just come off.
Yep.
They don't bite the metal.
Oh, that's not going to do it.
Oh, you might be surprised.
Yeah, I don't know, maybe.
But go ahead and put your glasses. Or not your glasses. Go ahead and put your gloves on.
Let's.
I've had this work before, so
Okay, so
what I need you to do, I'll hold the heat. You put your gloves on because I'm going to need you to hold the cylinder head from moving because I'm going to put that big pair of pliers on there and yank, and I don't want it to come off the table.
back that torch up. You want the tip of the flame is the hot part. It's not the tip. Come on, Kim. The tip of the
Okay, you got it.
tip of the flame.
Probably got some heat on it. Okay, you just check the very far end of that.
Okay. It moved.
It moved.
Okay, now what we do is put some juice in. Hang on. So,
You just like spraying it with juice. You said you don't need to worry about the big.
I didn't think you'd be able to grab it tight enough.
I got a lot of leverage.
I know, but still, I didn't think it would
And
work.
these have better
Yeah,
jaws
they have.
than these. I mean, these are good for what they are for. Those come from Harbor Freight. They're a hyper tough brand. The
Where
jaws don't bite hard enough.
Where
Just
did
like
those come from? I think they're a.
Harbor Freight.
Yeah, I thought they were a Chinese one.
Hey, but sometimes you have to bring out the big hammer.
Well, sometimes some of the Chinese stuff isn't bad, but
Okay,
some of
there
it
it
is.
goes. That's extracted. All right,
So
now
how
we
are you
have to.
gonna move it now? You got to get it the rest of the way out.
Oh, regular pliers will take it. It's not tight.
Okay. So now what?
Now we have to wrap up the video.
Okay.
Okay, I need you to be A-roll. I just need to say, tonight we have a little task. We have a cylinder head. We've got some broken bolts and studs. And we're going to try and use some heat to
Who's
extract.
saying that? Me?
You are.
Okay. Tonight we've got Kim's
No,
got this.
stop. You got to look at the camera. This is the beginning of the... Come on! It's the beginning of the video and you're like, this is a cylinder head. I can't even see the cylinder head because I can't get you and the cylinder head in the same view because you're standing up. Which, it's better for you to stand up, but I need you to do an intro. Just an intro. We're going to show them the cylinder head. You got to look at the camera and tell the people